May it please you.
Madam Chief Justice and other members of the court. My name is...
Let me repeat. May it please you, my lady.
Justice and other members of the court.
My name is Kibe Mungai Advocate. I'm appearing in petition number E008 alongside Ms. Wairimo Keru.
Thank you.
May it please you, my lady.
My lady, there used to be a rule about seniority. I have been stood down twice.
Yes.
Maybe I should go.
It is still there.
I appreciate my lady's protection. My lady, my name is Gedhu Muigai, Senior Counsel, and I appear for Mr. Wafula Chebukati, supported by Mr. Eric Gumbo. And I appear for IEBC, supported by Mr. Kamau Karori and Mr. Mohat Jomane and Mr. Tito Tiago.
Yes, this is the third time you are telling us that, as Professor.
Okay, my lady, I thought we would need to do that in every matter, but I'm guided by you now, and I yield the floor to my learned colleague.
Okay.
Madam Chief Justice and the honorable members of the court, my name is Jota Marua once again. I appear for the 6th respondent in petition number 5. We had been under the impression that we are recorded on every matter. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Leadership and members of the court, my name is Apollo Mboya. With respect to petition number 4, I appear for the 3rd respondent. With respect to petition number 5, I appear for the 5th respondent. And lastly, with respect to petition number 7, I appear for the 3rd respondent. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam Chief Justice, permit me to introduce Mr. Morara in petition number 4 for the petitioners. Here is seated in court number 1. I erroneously left out his name. Mr. Morara.
Thank you. I think we now have all the appearances. You will allow me, on behalf of my brother and sister judges of the Supreme Court, to first of all say a very good morning to all of you, and also to welcome all of you to these proceedings. I wish to recognize our distinguished guests who have joined us this morning, recognizing the Honorable Retired Chief Justice Othman Chande and your entire delegation of eminent African jurists who have come to observe these proceedings. You're very welcome. I wish to also recognize the parties who are present, the petitioners, the respondents, their friends and supporters who are watching us online. Unfortunately, due to constrained space that we are operating from, we could not accommodate very many people. You can all see we are all required to observe the COVID-19 protocols. We also have to be mindful of security and the constrained time and therefore we were forced to limit the number of the council who can appear at any given time, but parties are free and at liberty to have as many counsel as they could. We'll try to accommodate as many as we can in the spirit of our room, court number 1, where they can follow the proceedings and continue assisting counsel who are in the plenary. We thank the media also for coming to stream the proceedings online to assist Kenyans and all people from all over the world who are watching and following these proceedings across Africa and across the world. We specifically, I want to thank the observers who have come to be part of this process to attest that we are all guided by the rule of law, constitutionalism, values that we all share across Africa and indeed in the Commonwealth and all over the world, and also to express the judicial solidarity for us, which is a core emblem which cuts across the border as we attempt to develop our jurisprudence and work together in the spirit of bilateralism and regionalism. We therefore welcome you to Kenya to these proceedings. Today, council and parties, we are here for the pre-trial of the election petitions that were filed before us. As you are aware, 9 petitions were filed, and we received 25 preliminary issues in form of interlocutory applications. We have been able to dispose of all those preliminary issues and delivered rulings online, which I believe you are still reading and internalizing. After we dealt with the preliminaries, 2 petitions were struck out. Petition number petition number E006 and petition number E009 was struck out, and the rulings were delivered together with the media summary showing the reasons why they were struck out. So we are left with 7 petitions, and the court has considered the 7 petitions which emanate from the same presidential election, which was held on the 9th of August 2022. Respondents. IBC would be the 3rd respondent. Then respondent, Justice Nyangaya respondents. Francis Wanderi, Boya Moru, 10 respondents, and the Attorney General will be the 11 respondents. From the rulings that we delivered as or amici curiae with ICJ, Mr. John Warubengo, Dr. Joseph Sabira, and Martin Milero. That is the order of the court for the consolidation of the matter. So the other issue that we are going to deal with this morning upon consolidation of the matter is to settle the issues for determination. The court, having considered the printings that were filed, the submissions, and all the documents that were filed, we have framed 9 issues that have been shared with you by now, I believe, but I'll read them out. The first issue is whether the technology deployed by IBC for the conduct of the 20 verifiability, security, and transparency to guarantee accurate and verifiable, whether there was interference with their printing and transmission of forms to the IBC public. Issue number 3, where approved on the IBC public portal and Forms 34As received and Forms notarial elections in Kakamega, elections in Kitui Rural, and electoral ones in Nyaki West in North Imenti constituency. Discrepancies between the votes cast for presidential candidates and other elective positions. Issue number 6, whether the IBC carried out the verification attendance 138.10 of the Constitution. Issue number 7, whether the declared president-elect attained 50% plus 1 vote of the votes cast in accordance with Article 138(4) of the Constitution. And number 8, whether there were irregularities and illegalities